In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an IP address in Google Workspace. Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, is a truly versatile platform, and one of its most useful features for administrators is the ability to whitelist IP addresses. This feature is extremely useful for ensuring that emails from certain addresses are always received without getting caught in spam filters. By the end of this guide, you'll have the know-how you need to make sure important communications aren't lost, streamlining your organization's email efficiency. Let's dive right in. To begin with, navigate to your Google Workspace admin console. This is where you, as an administrator, have comprehensive control over the settings for your organization's communication environment. Once there, look for the Apps option on the dashboard. Clicking on this will present you with a menu that includes several applications integrated within Google Workspace. From this list, you'll want to select Gmail, the popular email client. This selection opens up a world of configurations to manage how emails are handled within your organization. Once you're in the Gmail settings, you'll need to head over to the section labeled Spam, Phishing, and Malware. This area is crucial because it is where Google Workspace manages its sensitive data security protocols. It's important to be deliberate in these settings as their primary function is to protect users from unwanted or malicious content. But today, we're going to focus on ensuring certain approved emails are not blocked. Now, navigate to the Email Allow list. The Email Allow list is essentially your trusted sender list. It's a critical tool for administrators who need to ensure the uninterrupted flow of necessary communications. By adding an IIP address here, you permit emails from the specified source to bypass the standard spam and phishing filters, significantly improving the reliability of email reception from known sources. Finally, after inputting the necessary IP addresses into the Allow list, make sure to save your changes. This step might seem simple, but it is essential. Failure to save will result in all your efforts being for naught, as the configuration won't be applied. Always double-check to confirm that your settings have been successfully stored. When these changes are saved, they may take a few minutes to fully propagate, so exercise a little patience before testing the new configuration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully whitelisted IP addresses in Google Workspace. This process will help avoid vital emails being snagged by spam filters, increasing productivity and ensuring smooth communication within your organization. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and solutions.